Hey there, Tad Hargrave from marketingforhippies.com with a puttering session case study. So there was a woman who I did some work with, and she was a musician and was really struggling with how do you get your name out there? How do you, promote yourself as a musician? And it turned out that her music had its roots. It was a kind of ancestrally inspired music. I said, well, which ancestors? So mostly Celtic and Norse. And as soon as she said that, I laughed. It was just so easy. How do you promote this? Well, you find all the hubs for Celtic and Norse ancestry stuff. And then you either put ads there, you become present in those scenes, you have them host you for a virtual concert or a live local concert. There are going to be magazines, blogs, podcasts, hashtags, Facebook groups, local meetup groups. There will be authors and key influencers in the scene. You see what I'm saying? It suddenly became so obvious. And then if it's ancestral music, well, there's the whole ancestral reconnection movement, and there could be that too. So now we have 3 different sets of hubs versus just, well, I'm a musician. How do I get clients? How do I find people? Well, having a niche as a musician of figuring out what your deal is, what your style is. I specialize in 1920s music, or I specialize in maybe, I don't know, this certain aesthetic. It gives you a sense of what the hubs are. The challenge with so many musicians is they've never really figured out their thing. They've never figured out their sound. They've never found their voice. So they're generic. And then they do all the generic gigs. They do all the bar gigs versus really finding a particular sound. Because once you know what your sound is, once you know what your thing is, it becomes very obvious where that goes. Now, you may not know, but people can tell you. They could hear and say, you'd be great at this festival. You'd be great on this stage. So anyways, that was just a little story I wanted to share. Hopefully that's helpful to some of the musicians out there. Of course, there's more to say, but just one story. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Of course, hit the red button and the bell icon. Check me out at marketingforhippies.com. That's all for today. Thanks.